This video shows the process of excavation of Soviet tank T-34, which was built during World War II. The tank was found in Cherkasy region, Ukraine. Excavating a Soviet tank T-34 is a complex and delicate process. It involves several steps to ensure the preservation and documentation of historical artifacts. Here is an outline of the typical process. Number 1. Survey and research. Before the excavation begins, historical records, maps, and testimonies from local residents or veterans are collected to identify potential sites where the tank might be located. Archaeologists and historians conduct a survey of the area to assess the feasibility and historical significance of the excavation. Number 2. Permission and permits. Depending on the location and ownership of the land, the relevant authorities and landowners must be contacted to obtain the necessary permissions and permits for the excavation. Number 3. Excavation planning. Once permission is granted, a detailed excavation plan is developed. This plan includes the location and depth of the dig, the techniques to be used, the team involved, archaeologists, historians, and possibly military experts, and safety measures. Number 4. Site preparation. The area around the tank site is cleared, and any potential hazards are removed to ensure a safe working environment for the excavation team. Number 5. Excavation. The actual digging process begins, and the team carefully removes the soil, layer by layer, documenting each step and preserving any artifacts or remains found in the process. This slow and meticulous approach helps in understanding the context and historical significance of the tank and its surroundings. Number 6. Artifact recovery. As the tank and associated artifacts are uncovered, they're carefully cleaned, cataloged, and photographed on site. Fragile or valuable items may be immediately stabilized or removed for further conservation. Number 7. Conservation and preservation. Once the tank and artifacts are recovered, they are transported to a controlled environment for detailed preservation and conservation. This process involves stabilizing metal parts, removing rust, and treating any other damage to ensure the long-term preservation of the tank. Number 8. Documentation and analysis. Throughout the excavation process, detailed records are kept, including photographs, sketches, measurements, and notes. After the excavation, a comprehensive report is prepared, detailing the findings and their historical context. Number 9. Display or storage. Depending on the decision made by relevant authorities or organizations, the tank might be displayed in a museum or stored in a controlled environment for further study and potential future exhibits. It's important to note that the excavation of historical artifacts like a T-34 tank is carried out with great care and respect for the historical significance of the object. The primary goal is to learn from the past, preserve history, and pay homage to those who were part of the events during World War II.